Part 27D1, explaining the solid structure your plane resides in. No vacuums or empty spaces on the flat Earth. I need to explain the physical nature of the structure a little better for you all. Over on Mia's member site, some really great questions have been asked. One was about how the structure stays in place during the EMPCOE. That is what I will be covering in this video. Okay, to the structure. You have all been conditioned and indoctrinated to believe that there is empty space everywhere, from the small scale with atoms. Atoms consist of 99.9999999% empty space. That means the computer you're looking at, the chair you're sitting on, and you yourself are mostly not there. Wrong. And you all have been conditioned and indoctrinated on the large scale in their theory of space. They have been hammering down everyone's throats this crap since we were in elementary school, that there are millions and billions of miles in between objects in space, and large areas of literally nothing via black holes, dark matter, and dark energy. It is all crap. The only vacuum in space is the vacuum in the movie Spaceballs. A cell has no empty spaces. It consists of solids, liquids, and gases. An apple has no empty spaces. It consists of solids, liquids, and gases. A neuron and a brain have no empty spaces. It consists of solids, liquids, and gases. There are no empty spaces in your disk. It consists of solids, liquids, and gases. There are no empty spaces in the domes. It consists of solids, liquids, and gases. There are no empty spaces anywhere. All spaces are occupied by either solids, liquids, or gases. These bowls, domes, and disks are connected and attached together to form complex structures. They are the building block for life. They stack, extend, and expand upon one another and inside one another. Look at these cells. Do you see how they all form domes? Two domes, base to base, form spheres, but they all build upon each other. Electromagnetism is actually two distinct things that work in tandem with one another. One, electricity. Two, magnetism. The electricity is what changes directions during the EMPCOE. The magnetic bowl structures do not change or move. They stay in place. So the foundation, the magnetic bowls, stays in place to hold the structure in place, along with the solids that were created in between the flip and choke rings. So the ice dome will fail in places because ice is brittle and it is not part of the foundation of the structure of the cell. It forms on the inside of the magnetic dome structure. During the EMPCOE, solids retain the structure of the cell, mostly. Wink, wink. It's the fluids that create most of the havoc. The liquids and the gases. What a solid doesn't occupy, a liquid or gas will flow towards and fill that space. To sum up, the structure is held together by the magnetic poles and the solid matter they produce. So only the ice dome fails, but the structure remains intact.